You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, where each episode is your passport to stress-free international moving. Thanks to the experience, care, and coordination of SDC International Moving. Today we want to share with you why SDC is the best partner for your SoCal to global moves. Relocating internationally isn't just a logistical challenge. It's a life-changing event. And choosing the right partner to help guide you through that process can make all the difference. At SDC International Shipping, we've helped thousands of Southern Californians move their lives overseas. From families in Orange County relocating to Europe, to entrepreneurs in San Diego launching new ventures in Asia, or retirees in the Valley starting their next chapter in Latin America. Our role goes far beyond trucks and containers. We're not just a moving company, we're your guide, planner, and protector throughout every step of your international relocation. We understand the unique needs of Southern California residents, the timing pressures of a competitive real estate market, the importance of preserving high-value items in a dry climate, and the need for flexible services when you're coordinating multiple moving pieces, sometimes across continents. With SDC, you get a true door-to-door solution. We manage everything from packing and inventory to pickup and port handling, custom clearance, and delivery abroad. You'll work with a dedicated relocation specialist who knows your route, speaks your destination language, and keeps you informed from day one to delivery day. We also believe in transparency, from detailed shipping quotes to realistic timelines and honest guidance on what to expect. Our goal is to minimize surprises and foster trust. Moving internationally is more than just getting your things from one place to another. It's about feeling at home again, wherever you land. Thanks for spending time with us today. We hope this episode gave you a clearer picture of what it really means to move internationally and why choosing the right partner, like SDC International Moving, can turn an overwhelming process into a smooth and empowering transition. If you're moving from Southern California to anywhere in the world, please don't just hire a mover. Work with a team that understands your lifestyle, your goals, your timeline. A team that's done this thousands of times before and treats your move like it's the only one that matters. Wherever you're going next, SDC International Shipping is here to help you get there safely, confidently, and with total peace of mind. To get started, visit our website or give us a call at 877-339-0267. We're going to help plan your move, answer your questions, and guide you every step of the way.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.